In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ChatGPT. We'll use a simple automation tool called Zapier to link your inbox with ChatGPT so new emails can be summarized, suggested replies can be drafted, or key details can be captured automatically. By the end, you'll have a hands-off workflow that saves time and keeps your messages moving. First, create your Zapier account. Head to the Zapier website, sign up for a free account, and log in. The free plan is perfect for getting started, and you can always upgrade later if you need more volume. Once you're in, you'll be building what Zapier calls a Zap, which is just an automated workflow. Next, set Gmail as the trigger. In Zapier, create a new Zap and choose Gmail as the trigger app. Pick the event that fits your workflow, like new email or new labeled email. Connect your Gmail account and authorize securely. For best results, target only the messages you care about by using a label or a specific inbox view. That way, you avoid processing newsletters or promotions. Zapier will let you pull in a recent sample email so you can see fields like the subject, sender, and body content. This sample is what you'll map into ChatGPT in the next step. Now set OpenAI or ChatGPT as the action. Add an action step and choose OpenAI or ChatGPT by Zapier. Then connect your account through the secure sign-in flow. In the action configuration, you'll write a clear prompt that uses the fields from Gmail. For summarizing, ask ChatGPT to provide a concise overview of the email's purpose, deadlines, and requested actions, and include the most important points from the body. For generating a reply, tell ChatGPT the tone you want, reference the sender and subject, and ask it to draft a response you can copy, paste, and personalize before sending. For saving email data, instruct ChatGPT to extract specific items like order numbers, dates, or account IDs and return them in a clean, labeled format so the information is easy to reference later in Zapier. Keep your prompts specific and avoid including any passwords, secret tokens, or other sensitive information. Finally, turn your Zap on. Send a test email to the address or label you configured and watch the run in Zapier's history to confirm the output looks right. If needed, tweak your prompt for clarity or brevity, then let it run going forward. With that, you've connected Gmail to ChatGPT and set up a reliable system to summarize messages, generate helpful replies, or capture key details automatically.